Joint Memorandum Circular No. 2019-01. Guidelines on the grant of the performance-based bonus for official and employees of local government units for fiscal year 2019. The combined memo of Circle number 2019-01 consists of the following. 1. Background and purpose. 2. Coverage. 3. Eligibility criteria. 4. Enrollment and validation process. 5. Eligibility of individuals. 6. Ranking of delivery units of provinces, cities, and municipalities. 7. Rates of the PBB. 8. Ranking system for offices or delivery units. 9. Funding sources. 10. Payment period of the FY 2019 PBB. 11. Submissions of accomplished forms. 12. Effectivity. Eligibility of individuals. Local chief executives and Sangguniang members are eligible only if their respective LGUs are eligible. If eligible, their maximum PBB rate shall be 65% of their monthly basic salary as of December 31, 2019. To qualify, employees belonging to the first and second levels should receive a rating of at least satisfactory based on the IGU CSC approved SPMS. Personnel who transferred to an LGU from another government agency in FY 2019 shall be rated and ranked by the agency/LGU where he/she served the longest. If equal months were served for each, he/she will be included in the recipient agency. An official or employee who has rendered a minimum of 9 months of service during the fiscal year and with at least satisfactory rating may be eligible to the full grant of the PBB. An official or employee who rendered less than 9 months but a minimum of 3 months of service and with at least satisfactory rating shall be eligible to the grant of the PBB on a pro rata basis corresponding to the actual length of service rendered, as follows. Length of government service percent of PBB. Rate. 8 months but less than 9 months. 90%. 7 months but less than 8 months. 80%. 6 months but less than 7 months. 70%. 5 months but less than 6 months. 60%. 4 months but less than 5 months. 50%. 3 months but less than 4 months. 40%. The following are the valid reasons for an employee who may not meet the 9-month actual service requirement to be considered for the PBB on a pro rata basis. Being a newly hired employee, retirement, resignation, rehabilitation leave, maternity leave and/or paternity leave, vacation or sick leave with or without pay, scholarship/study leave, sabbatical leave, An official or employee who is on vacation or sick leave, with or without pay, for the entire year is not eligible to the grant of the PBB. Officials and employees found guilty of administrative and/or criminal cases by final and executory judgment in FI 2019 shall not be entitled to the PBB. If the penalty meted out is only a reprimand, such penalty shall not cause the disqualification to the PBB. Officials and employees who failed to submit the 2018 SALN as prescribed in the rules provided under CSC Memorandum Circular No. 3, S 2015, or those who are responsible for the non-compliance with the establishment and conduct of the review and compliance procedure of the SALN, shall not be entitled to the FI 2019 PBB. Officials and employees who failed to liquidate all cash advances in FI 2019 within the regulatory period, as prescribed in COA Circular 97002 dated February 10, 1997 and reiterated in COA Circular 2009-002 dated May 18, 2009, shall not be entitled to the FI 2019 PBB. Employees who failed to submit their complete SPMS forms shall not be entitled to the FI 2019 PBB. Officials and employees responsible for the implementation of the prior year's audit recommendations, or posting and dissemination of the LGIJ system of ranking performance of delivery units shall not be entitled to the FI 2019 PBB if the LGU fails to comply with any of these requirements. Heads of departments, offices, or delivery units should ensure that officials and employees covered by Republic Act No. 6713 submitted their 2018 SALN to the respective SALN repository agencies, liquidated their FI 2019 cash advances, and completed the SPMS forms, as these will be the basis for the release of FI 2019 PBB to individuals.